Hello and welcome to the GeoEcologist. I'm Dr. Krishnanan and I hope that all of you are doing fine. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you about a very interesting offer that is running on our website for ebooks. Ebooks are the same materials that you see in our YouTube lectures, and if you want all those study material, you can download after payment. So earlier, the prices of these ebooks were around 300 rupees plus GST. Now, for a present March situation till 31st of March, the offers are revised and it's on 50% discount. So if you want to avail these offers, you can go to our website mithlacraft.com and the link has been given in description as well. So if you go to this website, you'll see all these ebooks listed here. So geographical thought, it's for 149. As you can see, the prices have been revised here. And then geomorphology, climatology, models, theories in human geography, economic geography, UGC net, solved MCQs geography book, then oceanography, regional development and planning book, population geography, settlement geography, biogeography, environmental geography. All of these is available. You can explore the website yourself and get all these ebooks at a discounted offer which is running right now on our website till 31st of March. So remember, before 31st of March, get it for yourself if you are an aspirant, if you're preparing for UGC net exam or for assistant professor exam or for any other exam related to geography where these videos and these ebooks could be useful to you. So all the best wishes to all the learners, all the aspirants. Enjoy and make the best use of this 50% discount on all our ebooks. Take care.